Today we are looking at the brand new 2026 Conquest, and this is the 6237LE floor plan. This is a nice, simple, no slide out, gas powered motorhome, and it is super convenient with still plenty of features on the inside and out. Talking about the outside here to begin with, this is built on an E350 Super Duty chassis. It does have a backup camera so you can back into spots with ease. Plenty of windows on the outside here to bring in natural light, and overall a relatively compact size for a Conquest motorhome. You've got storage here on the outside. You've got this nice deep bin here to store all your outdoor belongings, such as your power supply, extra hoses, any other totes you want to bring along with you. You have a full-length powered awning on the exterior here with outdoor LED lights. And at the rear, you've got yet another window, a ladder up to the roof so you can maintain your vehicle over the seasons. You can check to make sure all the seals are good up there, and you can step up and walk onto the roof. You've got your spare tire, and you've got access to some of your water holding tanks. You've got 31 gallons here of fresh water, black water, and gray water. You've got I believe it's a 42-pound propane tank, as well as your your generator. Stepping on to the interior of this trailer, you'll notice, as I said, it's a quite compact floor plan, but still plenty of options. One thing I like to mention here as well is this was built with Asdel on board. That's a synthetic composite, which is lighter than wood, stronger than wood, and mildew and mold resistant. It lets them build these lightweight motorhomes while still packing a lot of stuff into them. This front cockpit area here, you've got a nice driver seat, passenger seat, a large digital screen there so you can see your backup camera and any other specs about the vehicle. Plenty of cup holders for the long rides, as well as lots of little containers to store belongings. Up above here, you're going to have your first, I'll call it a convertible sleeping spot, but it's set right now as a regular bed, so you can have someone up here, kids, grandkids, an extra person up on this top area, but a lot of people do use this for storage as well. If you want a little bit more headspace when you're traveling, you can fold this up and out of the way, or if you want to use it as storage while you're traveling, you've got this mesh here with the seat belt clips. They'll go right into those kind of D-rings holding on to those other clips there, and you can pack lots of belongings up in the nose of this motorhome. Flipping over to this side here, this is going to be your second convertible sleeping spot. Now think about this, you've got lots of room here for kids, grandkids, and it has no slide outs in this trailer. That's what I was trying to talk about, how it's very well planned on the inside with the convenience out having large slide outs and all this extra weight. So you've got a second convertible sleeping spot here. It's going to allow you to have 4 passengers since you have seat belts here for this entire dinette. But this is also going to drop down. Those cushions will come over. That's going to be another sleeping area. I love converting these dinettes because it's not kind of the old style system where you have 2 posts. You got to lift it up, try to crank them out, put the post somewhere else, and drop this whole thing down without smashing your fingers. You've got a nice gas spring powered dinette tabletop here. You just flip this latch, push this down, and it's as easy as that. Flipping over to here, you've got a nice little kitchen with stainless steel appliances. You've got a stainless steel sink here, a nice deep sink to it. You've got a high-rise faucet with this hose attachment. You've got a 2-burner stove top, which can do some cooking. You've got this range hood, but this is going to be your main machine here. You've got a regular microwave, as well as having the options for air fry and convection cooking. Closing that up, you still do get some storage here. A lot of the storage in this unit is going to be cabinets like this above head, but they are unobstructed. You've got a little cable there just for the microwave, but other than that, you don't have weird angles or pipes going through here, so you can properly store lots of belongings. On this 2026, you've got a full electric fridge freezer combo, also with that stainless steel look. And flipping over to this side here, this is going to be another large area for plenty of your storage. Pulling this open here, you've got a full wardrobe style closet here where you can hang up all of your clothes properly like you would at home, and you don't have to live out of a suitcase. More storage beneath here, as well as storage above head there. This is going to be the master bedroom in the rear of the motorhome. You've got storage above here, and all of these lights here are nice and easy to use. They are touch sensitive, so you just touch it to the stainless steel side and you can easily turn on and off your light. You've got power in the back corner there, both by USB power as well as 110 volt receptacles. And you've got a curtain here if you need to divide off the space a little bit and block out some of the light or separate yourself from the other campers. Lastly, in the rear of this, you do have a full washroom. So you've got a sink there with a little bit of storage and access to plumbing underneath. You've got your toilet, a nice large mirror, as well as your shower with skylight. If you are looking for a nice, convenient way to travel, a motorhome like this is designed perfectly for you. If you want to see everything else it has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.